Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. For persons looking for a property that is reasonable and also located in a quiet and rural setting, this one is for you. We have here a bi-level 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house in the community of Lucky Hill, St. Mary, on land area of approximately 6,262 square feet. The main upper floor level features a powder room, living room, dining room, laundry room, kitchen, a lounge area, master bedroom with ensuite bathroom, sunroom, two other bedrooms, and a shared bathroom. The basement, which is also known as the lower level, is a self-contained unit which incorporates an additional bedroom, a bathroom, and kitchen. This means the house can easily be converted into a multi-family residence. Other features of this house includes ceramic tile, low maintenance yard, landscaped and fully fenced. The asking price of this house is Jamaican 22 million or US $140,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.